Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the age-old debate, Wix versus WordPress for e-commerce. Which platforms reigns supreme when it comes to building your online store? Before we jump into the comparison, let's quickly introduce both platforms. Wix is a popular website builder known for its user-friendly interface and drag and drop functionality. On the other hand, WordPress is a powerhouse CMS that offers unparalleled flexibility and customization options. First up, let's talk about Wix. With Wix, setting up your e-commerce store is a breeze. Their intuitive platform allows you to choose from a variety of templates specifically designed for online stores. Plus, their drag and drop editor makes it easy to customize your site to fit your brand. Now, let's shift our focus to WordPress. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress is its extensive plugin ecosystem. With thousands of plugins available, you can add virtually any feature or functionality to your e-commerce site. Whether it's payment gateways, inventory management, or SEO tools, WordPress has got you covered. So, which platform is better for e-commerce? Wix or WordPress? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution with a user-friendly interface, Wix might be the way to go. However, if you prioritize flexibility and scalability, WordPress offers endless possibilities for customization and growth. When we talk about the cons of Wix, the first one that came into mind is limited customization. While Wix offers a lot of design flexibility, it can be limited compared to other platforms. If you have very specific design needs, users may find themselves restricted by the templates and design options available. Well, you will also see ads on free plan. If you're using Wix's free plan, your website will display Wix branded ads. There are subscription costs, SEO limitations, content transfer difficulty, such as if you decide to move your website away from Wix to another platform in the future, you may encounter difficulties transferring your content. Wix doesn't offer a straightforward way to export your website, which could be problematic if you decide to switch. Well, it also has lack of advanced features. While Wix is suitable for building basic to moderate complex websites, it may not be the best choice for highly advanced or specialized functionality. Users with very specific requirements may find that Wix lacks certain features or integration they need. It's essential to weigh these cons against the benefits and your specific requirements when choosing a website builder. While Wix may not be the best solution for everyone, it can still be a great option for those looking to quickly and easily build a website without advanced technical knowledge. So I would suggest that if you're a beginner, then you can use Wix. But if you want a proper e-commerce website, then WordPress would be the best option for you. WordPress is best because of its flexibility, ease of use, customization, SEO friendly, community support, scalability. Like whether you're starting with small blog or launching a large scale e-commerce site, WordPress can scale with your needs. Its scalability makes it suitable for businesses and individuals of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations. Security is another plus point. While no platform is immune to security threats, WordPress takes security seriously and regularly releases updates to address vulnerabilities. And at last, it offers cost effectiveness as well. WordPress itself is free to use, and many themes and plugins are also available at no cost. Even premium themes and plugins often come at a fraction of the cost of custom development, making WordPress a cost-effective option for building a professional website. So what do you think about it? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Until next time.